Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to demonstrate some of the new products on my right hand. This is a cooking pot. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this pot diameters, it's about like a 25 inches. And the height of the units is about like a 32 inches. So the units was made in by the all stainless steels, including the two handlebars on the side, and also having a top leads. They have a handles in the center too. They're made by stainless steel too, and it's a little bit heavy. But we'll see the inner side is polished, it's stainless steels, and easy to clean. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.